Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a small but essential tool for every vinyl enthusiast. The 2PCS record player needle cleaning brush from Zentect. If you're serious about preserving the sound quality of your turntable and records, this accessory could make a noticeable difference. First, let's talk about the design. The brush is compact, measuring just 2.3 inches in length, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The head of the brush features soft, high-density carbon fiber bristles. These bristles are anti-static and arranged meticulously to reach the stylus tip with precision, allowing for thorough cleaning without risking damage. This is particularly important because the needle of a turntable is delicate, and any harsh cleaning method could affect its performance and lifespan. Now, on to functionality. This brush is engineered to remove dust, dirt, lint, and even silicone or oil residues that accumulate on the stylus over time. Unlike stylus gels, which can sometimes leave residue or fail to reach built-up grime, this brush works efficiently to clear away stubborn particles. The cleaning process is simple and safe. A gentle brush along the needle tip quickly restores it to optimal condition, improving sound clarity and maintaining that crisp, high-fidelity output we all love from vinyl. Another key aspect is its portability. Because of its small size, you can keep this brush close to your turntable without cluttering your setup. It's also incredibly user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners who are just starting to build a vinyl collection, as well as seasoned audiophiles who demand precise maintenance for their equipment. From a quality standpoint, Zentect guarantees their products, so you can feel confident that this brush is built to last and deliver consistent performance. It's a no-frills, essential tool for anyone looking to preserve the longevity of their records and stylus while keeping their listening experience pristine. In conclusion, the Zentect 2PCS record player needle cleaning brush is a must-have accessory for vinyl lovers. Its clever design, efficient cleaning power, and user-friendly approach make it a small investment that has a big impact on maintaining the sound quality of your turntable. If you care about crisp audio and the longevity of your records, this little brush is worth adding to your setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our product breakdowns and reviews.